Now let's go ahead and let's also work on creating the inner container for the entire list of food items which we have. So in order to explain what that container is going to look like and where that is going to be placed, let's go to app.jsx, and over here you'll be able to see that we have this container and we have placed the food list component in there. So rather than directly placing this over here, I'll create one container which is going to be the inner container. So over here, I need an inner container component which is ultimately going to render this food list which we have. So let's create that component here. So I'll say create a new component called as inner container.jsx and export default function inner container, and let's make this thing return a div. So return div. So once we have this inner container, now let's go ahead, use that inner container to nest this food list item. So over here, I would say inner container, use a opening and a closing tag. I simply have to cut this food list component, pass it in there. However, this is not going to render anything because right now this inner container which we have, it needs to accept the children prop as the food list and it needs to render that. Therefore, over here inside the inner container, I would accept the children prop. So I would say children and simply render children up over here. So I would say children. All right. So now if I go back, as you can see, this appeared right back. Now, once this thing is done, let's also go ahead and let's add a CSS module for styling the inner container as well. So let's create another file called as inner container.module.css, and over here let's go ahead and add a styling for the inner container. So here for this div, I would say the class name is going to be styles dot, and let's name the class as let's say inner container class, and let's import the styling from that file as well. So import styles from / inner container.module.css. And now let's go ahead and let's define that class up over here. So over here, I would say something like inner container, and for now let's, for sample purposes, set the background color of this thing to aqua so that you're able to see where that container is. So right now it's not showing any changes here, and that's because I guess we have misspelled this. This should be inner container.module.css. all right, so if I inspect this and if I go to the console, seems like we have an error here. All right, so this should be styles, and if I fix this, as you can see, now this entire thing turned into aqua, and this is just for demonstration purposes. You don't have to style this in this manner. This is just to show you how this inner container is created and what it actually spans. All right, so once we have this inner container component, which is this component, we could now use the same components to create the food detail view over here on the right hand side. So in the next lecture, let's go ahead and let's create the food details component and place it on the right hand side. So let's learn how to do that in the next one.